Hi, welcome to this introductory video on FreeCAD. In this video we'll cover the basics of FreeCAD, its interface, navigation and some of the different workbenches. Let's start by taking a look at the FreeCAD interface. When you first launch FreeCAD, you'll see the main window, which consists of several parts. On the top you'll find the menu bar, followed by the toolbars, the 3D view area and the combo view, which shows the tree view of the model and other tabs such as properties and tasks. First, I'm just going to open up a test part to show about navigation. At the bottom right of the main window, you can change how rotating and navigating a model works. I am used to using programs such as PTC Creo and SolidWorks previously, and I find the Blender option works best for me. In the 3D view area, you can navigate the model by using the mouse and keyboard shortcuts. You can rotate the view by holding down the middle mouse button, zoom in and out using the scroll wheel, and pan the view by holding down the shift key and dragging the middle mouse button. Finally, let's take a look at the different workbenches available in FreeCAD. Workbenches are sets of tools and commands that are specific to a particular type of modeling or task. To switch between workbenches, you can use the workbench drop-down menu at the top of the main window. Some of the most commonly used workbenches include Part Design, Draft, Sketcher and Path. Part Design is used for creating 3D parts, while Draft is used for 2D drawing and annotation. Sketcher is used for creating 2D sketches, and Path is used for CNC machining. Let's create a simple model using the Part Design workbench to demonstrate how to use FreeCAD. So this is the start page whenever you first open FreeCAD. Here you can either select a recently viewed file or create a new one from here, or you can set up default parts in which to select from. Generally, the primary way of using FreeCAD would be to use the toolbars, but there are additional helpers which FreeCAD provides, such as the tasks on the left hand side, which depending on what you go into may provide guidance on what actions can be performed next, or in the case of this start page you can select new here to create a new file. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use the top toolbar. So I'm going to select new part, then I'm going to create a new body and create sketch. I could just do this also from these options in the top toolbar. I'm going then to select my surface in which I want to place my sketch, the XY plane, and hit OK. Now I can draw whatever shape that I want to extrude. So from my Sketcher toolbar, I'm going to select a centered rectangle and just draw a simple rectangle. Then I'm going to dimension this, so I'm going to use a horizontal dimension, pick my point. I want this to be 100 mil, and then a vertical dimension from point to point, and I want this to be 50 mil. I'll OK this, and then I can close the sketcher. This then will give me various options in the task toolbar. Then, for example, I can now pad this, or I can use pad from the top toolbar. I can then pad this and set a dimension for how thick that I want it. I'm going to say 5 mil and hit OK. We now have a basic part created within FreeCAD. That's it. You've created a basic 3D model using FreeCAD. Thanks for watching this video and getting started. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more FreeCAD tutorials.